Welcome to the Hilton Fiji Beach Resort and Spa on the Narrow Island. This beachfront property boasts 7 pools, multiple restaurants, and sprawling ocean views, an inviting gateway to Fiji. Set in a long beachfront layout, Hilton Fiji places its lobby and main pool in the middle. Guests staying at the far ends can hop on a golf cart, and it is a convenient way to navigate the resort's grounds. Near the lobby sits the resort's main pool, the centerpiece of Hilton Fiji. Designed with ocean views and surrounded by loungers and tropical greenery, it's where many guests come to relax, swim, and enjoy the heart of the property. Rooms sit in 2-story blocks with open-air entrances. Let's step inside and I'll show you the room. Thanks to Hilton Gold status, I received an upgrade to a 1-bedroom beachfront suite. It includes a kitchenette and laundry. Here is the large living room, completely separate from the bedroom. Designed for convenience, the kitchen features a full refrigerator with freezer, stovetop, microwave, and a coffee maker. It's stocked with utensils for cooking and even has a dishwasher, ideal for families or longer stays. The balcony extends the living space with a full grill and table setup, perfect for relaxed dining in the sea breeze. The bedroom centers on a king-size bed, offering a private retreat from the living area. The bathroom features a freestanding tub, walk-in shower, and double vanity, designed with a modern, spacious layout. In addition, the suite includes its own washer and dryer, adding convenience for longer stays. With a spacious living room, full kitchen, private balcony, and modern bathroom, this 1-bedroom beachfront suite is designed for comfort and convenience, an ideal base for exploring both the resort and the island. Koro, meaning village in Fijian, sits beside the adults-only pool with sweeping views of the beach. Open all day, it serves local and international dishes, with live entertainment in the evenings. Mornings at Coro include a full breakfast spread, from fresh local fruit and pastries to hot dishes and cooked-to-order options, all served with ocean views. My breakfast at Coro was a hearty omelette, toast, coffee, and juice, an easy, satisfying way to start the day by the pool and beach. The Hilton is set along the Narrow's long beachfront. Unlike Fiji's outer islands, the sand here is darker and the water less clear, so it's not the postcard perfect beach many imagine. Still, the shoreline offers plenty of space for walks, ocean views, and a relaxed atmosphere right at the resort's doorstep. The main pool is the heart of the resort. With ocean views, shaded seating, and quick access to dining, it's where most guests spend their time between the beach and their rooms. The resort also has a water sports center where guests can borrow kayaks, paddle boards, and snorkeling equipment to explore the calm waters just off the beach. The adults-only pool comes with its own bar and loungers set right on the sand overlooking the beach. It quickly became my favorite spot at the resort to unwind, relax, and read a book. Nuku is the resort's main restaurant, serving all-day dining with views over the beach. Closing the day at Nuku with Fijian music and dance captures the essence of the islands, warm, welcoming, and full of life. A memorable way to wrap up my stay at Hilton Fiji. Thanks for watching this resort report from Hilton Fiji Beach Resort and Spa. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more hotel and flight reviews. See you on the next one!